YouTube, what's going on? Just ripped the box of the new 2011 Totally Certified. Figured I'd show you guys a recap of the hits. Very nice looking cards, not gonna lie. I like the way it's done, the base. Very, very nice. But go through the hits and show you what's up. First off, I got a Malcolm Floyd jersey. That's numbered to 149. Got a Randall Cobb Certified Future. That one's numbered to, that's 49 out of 499. And I also got another Certified Future, Christian Ponder. That one's numbered out 260 out of 499. Then got this nice Stitches in Time 4-way jersey card of Rod Woodson, Deion Sanders, Ed Reed, and Nnamdi Asomugha. That's a pretty sweet card. Very nice. That's 6 out of 150. And my only autograph, I got Redemption, card 161, which I believe it's DJ Williams. So, as you guys know, after seeing the hits, I did get shorted an autograph. You know, I guess it happens. Not gonna knock Panini. I do like their products, but I'll be giving them a call. Hopefully, they can do something about that. But other than that, guys, you know, very nice cards, good product. Yeah, that about does it. Peace.